Hey everyone, welcome to WEIDAN Showcase Series, Discover Your WEIDAN. Today we have a gallery episode to show a wide range of what we offer, from your space decor favorite like garage floor tiles to everything your business must have. So you're gonna definitely hate to miss it. Well, let's get it started. So first, let's take a look at our garage floor tiles. At WEIDAN, typically we offer 5 types of garage floor tiles based on surface, shape, and how they're interlocking. So here, take the one by my hand, the Gen series, as an example. The Gen series features an open surface that allows water to pass through and vaporize. Meanwhile, it offers a wide range of colors and patterns to go pro with your garage and your cars. If you feel like a unique taste, it's okay. We're happy to proceed with a custom order for you. Besides, we offer other 4 types of garage floor tiles, including the rectangle high-end series, and plain surface steel pattern series, and so on. They differ in size, shape, and how to install, but safely offer a wide variety of colors and patterns for your need. Now let's turn to our dense floor tiles. Like garage floor tiles, our dense floor tiles are also interlocking to install, portable in size, and offer a wide choice in patterns. They are easy to install and remove, ideal to create your own stage, showroom, or any plan to style up your space. Built to withstand impact and heavy steps and reduce noises, our dense floor tiles are must-have for activities like dance studio, party event, trade show, you name it. Now here is our dry ski slope. Basically, our dry ski slope comes with modular slope tiles and guardrails to go with them. These tiles are built with a smooth surface that copies the feeling and friction of real snow. So they are applied at places without real snow for people to practice skiing or other activities like sliding. Our dry ski slope also features modular bases for easy interlock installation and vary widely in size, shape, color, and structure. So here we have a general understanding on what WEIDAN offers as flooring options. Wide range of products, wide choice. The only thing remains is to know exactly what you need and subscribe us. Then you will never regret visiting our website.